What does the infinity symbol mean in Apple Music? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever used Apple Music and noticed a little infinity symbol at the bottom of your now playing screen, you might be wondering what does that actually do. So let's get started. First of all, tap open your Apple Music. The infinity symbol represents autoplay in Apple Music. When autoplay is turned on, Apple Music will automatically continue to play music similar to what you are listening to, even after your playlist, album, or song queue ends. So, in order to find it, open a song in Apple Music, then tap on three horizontal lines, and you will see the symbol or infinity symbol. If it is highlighted, it means the autoplay is on. However, if it is grayed out, it means autoplay is off. Apple Music will start adding songs to your up next queue that are similar in style, genre, or vibe to get what you have been listening to, only if this is turned on. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.